Morning, everybody. It's Valentine. We got Babe, we got Chris, and the slowest bikes of them all. He's gonna put a fast pipe on it, and we're gonna show you how to do it a quicker way.
All right. Let's see. So we already took the fairings off, as you can see. That was wasn't too bad.
You guys
Just go
are not
slow.
making a video, are you?
And make sure we don't scratch anything. Now we're starting to get the bolts off for the manifold. We got one off on this side. You can see in there, and we're working on the other side. Now, just to give yourselves a little more room, we loosen the bolt on the bottom holding the radiator. In here, goes to this. And now I'm going to loosen the fans if I can to get maybe a little more space in there. Okay, we're back. We took the fans out, to the radiator fans. We didn't have to mess with the radiator at all or the coolant. We did was just 3 bolts, one here, and then in the center, up in here, on both sides. And now we're going to finish taking off the manifold bolts here and the ones inside there, and pull the rest of the exhaust off.
Did you get your registration done?
All right. All the exhaust manifold bolts are out. And instead of removing this bolt where it's tight on the other side, you can just remove this bolt and then take this off when it's all down. Chris?
This is what was slowing me down. So call Honda, let them know this is the culprit.
What year, what make is this bike?
This is the best year, the 2017 CBR Fireblade. Better
go.
than that.
And there you have it, guys. How to remove your full exhaust without disconnecting any coolant lines. Got it done in maybe half an hour.
Start the video yet?
You can never have too much lube.
Maybe you don't want to put that video up there. They're gonna laugh at you.
Hey guys, this is how you put a screw together. You push it to the right, clockwise. Let's make a video about it. And that's the dummy that's paying to get his exhaust put on.
Liberty Biverty.
Ain't they pretty?
Yes, they are.
Ain't they pretty?
Really serve a purpose. It's
Yeah, but you don't know what specs he's using.
I have to look at it.